In this lesson, you will learn the D and E shapes, D major in first position, the D major triad, E major in first position, and the E major triads. Hi, in this video we're going to go over the D shape and the E shape. So let's jump into it. In order to form the D shape, we're going to take our first finger, index finger, and place it on the G string at the second fret. Take our second finger, place it on the high E string at the second fret, and our third finger, and place it on the B string at the third fret. To play a D major in first position, start on the D string and play down. In order to take the D Shape Triad and move it up the fretboard, you'll focus on your third finger, which is on the B string. And with each note, as you move up the fretboard, you will change the chord, starting with your D major. If you move up 2 frets to the 5th fret, that's an E note. Form your D shape, and you'll have an E triad. Move up 1 more fret, form your D shape, and you have an F triad. Move up 2 more frets, make the D shape, and now you have a G major. By following the B string and the notes on the B string with the D shape, you can make a major chord in any position on the guitar, because you have your 5, your 1, and your 3. Let's take a look at the E shape. The E shape, we're using our index finger, our middle finger, and our ring finger. We're going to take our first finger, we're going to place it on the 1st fret of the G string. We're going to take our second finger, place it on the 2nd fret of the A string. Take our third finger, place it on the 2nd fret of the D string. If you play only these 3 notes, the A string, the D string, and the G string, you will have created an E major chord. You can play all the notes because the high E string and the low E string are part of your chord. If you take your third finger, which is resting on the D string, that is an E note. If you take the 3 notes of the triad and move up 1 fret, form the same E shape, now you have an F chord. If you take that note, move it up 2 frets, now you have a G chord. In each position, you're playing the 5, the 1, and the 3 in order, just like you did with the A shape and just like you did with the D shape. In each of the 3 examples, you have a 5, a 1, and a 3 pattern that you're using. If you keep this in mind, you can play major chords at any position and take advantage of the C2 and the C3 octaves with the E shape. With the A shape, you can take advantage of the C3 and the C4 octaves. And with the D shape, you can take advantage of the C4 octave and the C5 octave. That's all the time we have for today. The outro music is coming. See you in the next video.